Hello viewers, welcome back YouTube channel. So how are you all? I hope you are all fine and good. God bless you, always be happy in your life, always be keep smile. Today I am sharing with you in this video. You will see in these videos 40 plus stylish unique haircuts ideas. Marvelous and stylish, you will see unique, beautiful bob haircuts, hair colors, and hairstyle ideas in 2024. Lovely viewers, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon, you will get notifications of all of my videos. You will see stylish, beautiful haircuts, hair colors, and hairstyles ideas. I have uploaded unique, different haircuts ideas in 2024. So watch my full videos and share my videos and enjoy any all unique bob haircuts designs. So thank you so much guys for visit my YouTube channel, subscribe my channel and watch my videos and enjoy the all stylish, beautiful bob haircuts ideas. If you like my videos, so watch my full videos and share my videos and enjoy your attractive haircuts ideas. So don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. Your positive feedback encourages me and motivates me to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. Watch my full videos and share my videos and enjoy any all modern bob haircuts, pixie bob haircuts. And you will see unique, different haircuts designs. I hope you like my videos, friends. I hope you enjoy my videos. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in these videos. 40 plus stylish, unique girls bob with bangs haircuts ideas. If you like my videos, so viewers, please download it my videos and you like this one stylish haircuts ideas. So take a screenshot and save your mobile. Lovely viewers, watch my full videos and share my videos. So you will see stylish, unique bob haircuts ideas, attractive haircuts design.